Hello Scorpio, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. Scorpio, this is your reading for the month of May, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Scorpio, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know, Scorpio. Okay. Uh, I have restarted private readings. I had taken a sabbatical from for the month of April. However, I've been getting a lot of requests, so I have restarted one question, two question, three question series. If you're interested in getting done a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Uh, the details of the same are in description box and comment section. Okay. Also know that I'll be doing limited readings only. All right. So let's get started now. We have King of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Seven of Cups, the Two of Cups, Three of Swords, the Lovers. Bottom of the deck we have Knight of Wands. You might be dealing with a Gemini. You might be dealing with Libra, Aquarius. You might be dealing with Virgo. I'm also hearing Cancer, another Scorpio, Pisces, Sagittarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might see a lot of 777 or 717, 555. 6 is of some importance. Uh, so I feel, Scorpio, that you probably are dealing with someone who is acting very indifferent. This person has very strong, very deep feelings for you, Scorpio. And I feel like even you have very strong and deep feelings for this person. But this person has refused to become vulnerable in front of you. This person probably acted very stoic, and you understood that this person has a lot of love for you. This person has probably shown a lot of care and affection towards you, but maybe this person was never verbal or vocal about their feelings for you. And maybe, yeah, you guys are in separation, but I do feel like both of you feel the need, especially this, maybe this, you guys have experienced this as a strong realization during the separation period. Both of you have realized this. There is this realization that you guys need to be vulnerable, you guys need to open up about the feelings that you have for one another. You guys need to open up regarding that before it is too late. I also feel like, because both of you have really strong feelings for one another, which have not been vocalized yet, but still, despite having strong feelings, you guys are in separation at the moment. That is only harboring a lot of misunderstandings in your respective minds. Okay, that, oh, maybe this person is cheating on me, this person is doing something else, this person is someone else, oh, they are checking out options. That might also be the case, but uh, it's more about some sort of an illusion. That's what I feel. These are illusionary ideas that both of you are entertaining in your respective minds, and that is only hurting both of you so much. See, one thing I can see over here, Scorpio, is that the love is very strong, love is very deep, the intensity of love is very strong, the attraction towards one another is very strong, and despite experiencing such an intense connection, you guys are in separation, and that itself is causing so much of pain and hurt to, you guys are going through, both of you are going through a lot of pain and a lot of hurt. Okay, the desire is to come together, the desire is to love one another, I think so. There is also very strong sexual attraction over here, where you guys are trying to, uh, you guys want this union. You guys want to be together. You guys want to experience physical intimacy. But I feel like both of you are going crazy thinking about about this, like, oh, maybe this person is with someone else. Oh, maybe this my person is exploring options, and that is why they are not coming back. And that person is also thinking the same about you. Oh, maybe Scorpio is checking out other options. Maybe Scorpio has fallen out of love, and Scorpio is with someone else, right? So what I feel over here is there is a need for both of you to come together. There is a need for both of you to talk things out. Like, what happened? What made us move away from each other? What kind of forced us to distance ourselves from one another? What are your complaints? What are my complaints? What I think and feel about you? What you think and feel about me? This is what I'm assuming. I don't know if that's a reality, but probably you're checking out options, and that person may also have certain complaints about you. Maybe someone was in and out of this connection, someone was inconsistent. Okay, both of you want to take a strong leap of faith towards one another, and both of you want to experience stability. But this separation is hurting both of you so much. There is deep love. There is a very strong and deep love for one another. But it is, I think so, both of you are also acting from a place of ego. Like, oh, I love this person, and I know that person also loves me, but I want them to express their feelings to me first. Okay. Like, I'm feeling like there's this energy of someone is pissed off, or maybe both of you are pissed off. Like, why there is this radio silence, right? We love one another, let's be together, as simple as that. Why is it necessary to complicate things? We just like to be one another, to be with one another, let's be with one another. So what action this person will take towards you, what action this person will take towards you, what action this person will take towards you. Yeah, they're breaking the silence, they're coming towards you. Okay, maybe this person is observing and waiting for the right time to come towards you, or maybe with the page of wands to king of wands, maybe this person is also working on the transition. They have realized that they need to work on themselves. Okay, they themselves were confused. Maybe they themselves were confused, and was they were waiting for some sort of clarity regarding what are they actually thinking and feeling about you. But they are coming, they are taking some sort of initiative, and they are coming towards you, they are breaking the silence. Okay. And if at all you want to take an action, what action you're going to take towards this connection? We have 10 of wands. Some of you probably, we have 9 of cups, 3 of pentacles, the knight of swords, and one more card, the 10 of pentacles. I think so, for many of you, what I feel is like this no contact situation has become an absolute burden for you. Even you want to talk to this person. Okay, because see, it's not just, I don't read the energy of the cards based on one specific card. Okay, I have to consider the energy of the rest of the cards as well. 9 of cups, 3 of pentacles, knight of swords, and 10 of pentacles. All of the cards are significantly indicating that you want union and reunion with this person. But maybe it's the no contact situation has become so heavy on your mind that you are like, okay, enough, I don't want to be in this no contact situation. Maybe it's also quite possible that you're going to take an initiative, that you want to talk to this person, you want to sit, you want to talk, you want to go for a glass of a beer or a glass of wine, and you know what, okay, let's talk it out. Let's just express ourselves, something of that sort. I think so you guys are going to get into some lengthy conversation. I do feel like you're going to go in a secluded place, or it's also very likely, Scorpio, that you and this person might decide, like, okay, for 2 days we're going to go here and let's talk it out. Let's talk things out. Let's discuss. It's very important for both of us to discuss. It's very important for both of us to know what's going on in our mind and what is it that we want, right? You want union. You want union for sure. For some of you, you might be like, with the 10 of wands, you might be like, okay, I'm quitting this connection and I'm moving towards another person, or like I'm opening myself up to other options because this situation has become too much of a burden for me. Soul connection, no expectations, purely loves you. This is a strong soul bond, I'm telling you guys. This is a very strong soul bond, and you guys are feeling that. You guys are feeling this connection. Memories, I swear I'm missing you badly right now. You guys are missing one another so much. Vibration, there is something that connects us all the time. All the time, irrespective of the distance, irrespective of a no contact situation, there is something that is connecting you guys all the time. Weakness, my worst fear is losing you. I want to let you go. This person is like, I'm not going to let you go. I just saw 1111, by the way. You're mine, Scorpio. Secret love loves you deeply but will never express. See, I'm telling you, this person loves you like crazy, but it's like something is making them hold themselves back. All right. I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time, and have a great time. Yeah. Also, if you're interested in personal reading, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Take care. Have a great time, and bye bye.